we go, YouTube. That right there we've already seen, but oh my goodness, I am not upset with my rattle can paint job because people can lean on this and scratch it or whatever, and I don't care. I wasn't going for perfection, but that feather duster crap that I did turned out great. The top end, like I said, from here, if you watch my other videos, up is actually all like my dashboard. But I went back with some gloss black and toned it down because I didn't want it screaming. I wanted something that catch a little bit of attention, and I thought I was gonna have to do the red as well. But the red is so decent looking that I really don't have any regrets, and I don't think I'm gonna mess with it. That's the two-tone that I was kind of looking for. And yeah, it's got character and I'm happy with it. And you know, it's something that people scratch it, I don't give a damn. I have to finish the wheel wells. Battery box still needs to be built. Slats need to go in here, make an access for the battery, access for fueling. And then I have to do the door panels on both sides. I was gonna wait till I got this done. I have the new crap to put in here, and I haven't done it yet because it's a pain in the ass, which I'll get it knocked out. And wiring and fuel system. I've got the fuel pump and everything. I just need to run all the fuel line and all that stuff. And finish up a couple things on the cooling system, which is close. So hopefully you guys enjoy what you see, because I am ecstatic with how well this has turned out and how messy my freaking shop is. I have cleaned my shop twice in the 4.5 months I've been working on this, and it always ends up with just shit everywhere. Because for one, I'm a messy son of a bitch, and for two, I don't slow down, man. I just try to work through stuff when I can after work. My feet are killing me. I've got plantar fasciitis and arthritis in both feet and ankles, and at 40 years old, it sucks. So hopefully some surgery soon, and yeah. But I'm gonna keep on keeping on with this. I'm looking forward to being able to try to see what happens if I wet sand stuff and get a little bit of wax on here, just to kind of protect my shitty paint job from, you know, wearing out and getting any faded looking or something, you know, I don't know. Left the top just regular old black. I'll clean that up and wet sand that and whatnot. But yeah, I really hope y'all like what you see, man. This is turned out to be a kick-ass truck. We will check you guys out as soon as I have more updates.